Google Docs is a free web-based word processor which you can access using internet and browser, and you can create documents. All types of documents which you would otherwise create in Microsoft Word are in OpenOffice software. All the formats of Google Documents are compatible with Microsoft Word and OpenOffice, and you don't have to worry about saving because all your documents will automatically be saved. However, you have the ability to organize those files in specific folders. With every Gmail account, you get 15 GB of free online storage by Google, which is called Google Drive. By default, Google Docs is connected with your Google Drive, but you can download your document to your computer in various formats. One of the main reasons people use Google Docs is the ability to share and collaborate with your team members using internet. Multiple team members can access a single document at the same time. So this is called real-time collaboration. There are various useful features available for this collaboration, such as making comments, making suggestions, and then these discussions can be saved in the document. One of the powerful features of Google Docs is that you can go back to a previous version of your document. If you are not happy with the current version, you can go back to any of the previous versions. In this course, I will walk you through all the features of Google Document. Even if you are a beginner, I will start from creating a Google account, and then I will talk about all other features which Google Documents has. Nowadays, Google Documents is being used by almost every business, university, school. So even if you are a student or a job seeker, learning Google Documents will be extremely beneficial for you. In Google Docs, you can insert and manipulate images very easily. It's very intuitive. Also, you have all the features of Google Drawings in your Google document, which gives you access to a lot of shapes and arrows and lines which you can use to make flow diagrams or algorithms and these kind of things. And one of the powerful features of Google Docs is the ability to translate your speech into a document. You just speak in your microphone and Google Docs will create a transcript for you. And one of the powerful features of Google Docs is that you can translate your document in any other language almost instantly. So if you are a content creator and you want to grow your audience, so this could be extremely beneficial for you. Currently, this course has nearly 30 lectures, but as this course gets seasoned, I will be adding more lectures to this course. If you think that something is missing, you can send me a message and I will definitely make another video about that feature. So I am confident that you will learn new features in this course even if you are using Google Docs for many years. So just click the enroll button and I will see you inside the course.